my channel. As you can see, I'm filming outdoors and it is a little bit windy, but there's only so much time I can spend in the house. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this channel and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So I did get my Boxycharm, and I'm pretty sure it's the premium because of the size of the box. And as most of you know, I am a cheater, a peeper, whatever you want to call. I've watched so many people unbox theirs. And I have heard on the premium, there's just so many different variations. There's like 50. So I don't think I picked anything out. I have no idea what's in this box. So let's get into it. And I had heard if you got the Hello Charmer upside down, you can enter a contest. And of course, mine is not upside down. Par for the course. So you open it up and it's got a really pretty blue padding this time. And then I tried to fix my hair today and of course that went out the window. So we've got a makeup eraser. I saw that everybody got that. I don't know where it is, so we'll find it. But I did pick out, we got the Mile High Club Wonder Beauty mascara. I probably won't use it. I'm not a big mascara wearer. So I will probably either put it on Macari or Poshmark or just give it to somebody that uses it, but it's a really pretty container. And I did try, we get a lot of false eyelashes. I did try using them and it was a no-go. They stuck to my nose, so stopped right there. And the next thing is by Libido, Inspired by Nature, Age Away Replenishing Cream, grapefruit seed, and Melissa and avocado. And I see at the bottom of this, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like there's Hebrew at the bottom of this packaging. I don't know if I noticed that on anybody's unboxing. I don't know what it says, but I did notice that, so I don't know. Yeah. It was made in Israel. Shows you all those Hebrew lessons that I had, and I can't read this. So I will give it a try. So that's nice. I don't see a card in here. Did we get cards in this one? I'm not sure. And we got the Pharmacy Honey Potion Hydrating Mask. And you all know I'm a maskaholic. And I don't think I've ever tried this one. I do like the Pharmacy, the melting cleansers. I do like those. And I like this because it's got the little, it's almost like it's magnetic. Look at the pretty color. I hope the birds don't start and bees come out and attack me out here. But I had gone to the dollar store, this was before all this happened, and they have the best mask brushes there. You know, it's just $1. I bought a couple, and because these little spatulas, they get lost, I end up throwing them in the garbage by accident. So if you need the mask things, just go to the, well, maybe not now, but go to the dollar store and they sell the nice brushes there. So was this the card? I thought this was the card for the, yeah. Yeah, I didn't get a card. Let me know if you guys got a card. And then we got Juice Beauty Liquid Lip. And I was just taking out, I got a Juice Beauty, was it a cleanser I got a while back, and I was just taking it out. Oh, this is pretty. And I noticed there's no palettes in here. Kind of light out here. But I love the case. So that's nice. And this box is, there's 3 types of boxes. The small one, 25, this is 35, and then we get the bigger box, it's 50. So this is definitely worth the $35. And then we got the Luminous Blush, Camellia, and this is by Becca Beauty. I don't know why we didn't get a eye palette. I think there was some controversy because people were ordering this because they were having, you know, designer palettes, so people thought they were going to get those. And I did see, this is pretty, and I did see this on somebody's channel. As I said, I am a cheater or a peeper. Wow. Thank God for editing. That's a beautiful color. Probably a perfect color for my light skin tone. So I'm liking that. And then there's one more item in here. I hope you're not getting blinded by the sun here, guys. I'm upset there's no card. Oh, there's brushes. That's what it was. I saw these beautiful brushes. I have to make sure she got the brushes if she doesn't need these. Okay. We got 3 brushes here. And I thought they said what they were for because I don't know what they're for. Oh, wait. Opulent Beauty. I'm not sure. This is maybe a blush and a foundation. So these are beautiful. Not sure if I should have filmed outside today. So that was everything in the box. We got the Becca Beauty blush I like. We got these brushes I definitely like. I didn't get the makeup eraser. I thought we all got the makeup eraser. Or maybe that was in the base box. I don't know. And this pretty lipstick, the mascara. If anybody needs this, let me know. And the replenishing cream I'm going to try. And this mask I can't wait to try. So that was everything that was in the premium box. I definitely think it's worth the $35. Let me know what you thought. And I hope you guys are just hanging in there. So as always, have an awesome day.